Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P9 Lite Mini, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you will need some kind of SIM eject tool. They usually come provided in the box, but because I don't have one, I'm just gonna use this kind of bent out of shape paper clip, as you can see, and it should work as well. Just lock it. The tray is located on the left side, on the upper part of the phone, as you can see right here. So once you push it out, you can just take it out completely, and from here you can place the SD card like so, and the SIM card like so, with the cutout on the bottom right corner. Make sure that they're both laying flush, and then while holding them secure in a place so they don't fall out, you can slide it back into the device. And there's a code POOK for the SIM card, which I have no idea what it is actually. See if I can cancel this. No, I guess I can skip it. But as you can see, well, the SIM card is most certainly working because it can't allow me to proceed without it. And the SD card should be working just as fine. So that is how you would insert a SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.